Hello, this is Richard C. Wilson, come to you during a lunch break at our Chicago Deal Flow Summit behind me up there. I wanted to talk about how many times in the family office industry, less is more. Less number of deals you're chasing at a time, less number of strategies you employ, less number of things you're trying to do every day because you found what's most powerful for the use of your time. The whole industry is about credibility and trust, long-term conviction, commitment, education, expertise, and all of that comes together when someone can understand what you do, how it's distinct from competitors, understand how you add value in that process, and the more clear you can make that, the better, and the more believable it is, the more that people are going to move up the trust curve on you and your strategy more quickly. So having a very simple approach that's powerful and elegant and well thought out is better than having 7 different approaches and 4 different asset classes and 9 different geographies. It gets convoluted and hard for people to understand and hard to believe you're a true expert in all those different areas and all those different strategies. So I hope this video is helpful to any of you who are figuring out your game plan and strategy for the family office industry. This is Richard Wilson, and check out what we're up to. Please visit familyoffices.com.